at work, and so I have to like run extension cords to get light. So hope it's not too dark. Um, I want to make some of those turtles. That's amazing. And I say caramel and pecan. So, so tonight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a caramel apple cobbler in the pressure cooker, and it's really simple. So, while I'm waiting for my butter, you're going to take one yellow cake mix and I'm using the 12 cup bowl because it's just the perfect size for everything. All right, I'm making a mess again. So to the cake mix, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I can get this open. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a half a cup of melted butter. So I should use my little micro cup. So I'm going to add a half cup of melted butter. And I'm just going to make this, it's going to be crumbly. It's not going to be like the texture of an actual cake. So I'm going to just stir this around. And then just a fun fact that I learned today, because I don't remember everything a lot of time. So on the back of our silicone mats, I couldn't remember how hot they go, but I turned it over and it actually has the temperature on the back of the product, just like our bowls and stuff. They tell you whether they have those little symbols that tell you whether they go in the oven or the microwave or whatever. Well, our silicone mats do the same thing. I was absolutely amazed. So it's just a little tip while I'm mixing this up. And so you're just going to get this, is going to be really crumbly. And like that. And make this. And I'm going to do this in the pressure cooker. And it is done. And you can do this. I'm doing apple, but you can use any fruit that you want. You could use cherries or peaches or any kind of berries to mix it up. So you just want to mix it up, and it's kind of crumbly. So I'll set that to the side. And then in our pressure cooker, and I still have visions of my mom's pressure cooker and being afraid to go in the kitchen as she was using that metal fork to turn that little spout and let the air off. So I found caramel apple slices. So they're caramel apples. You're just going to take those, calls for 2 cans. So I'm just going to dump those right into the pressure cooker. Get all of them out of here. Now, if you don't get the caramel apple pie filling, you would just, at the end, you would just add caramel sauce, like for the ice cream, you just kind of pour it all over the top. And so I've got 2. So I'm just going to put 2 cans right in the bottom of the pressure cooker. And then we are going to take our crumble And we're just going to put that right on the top. Well, in there. Kind of break it up as it goes in there. And just put that. That wasn't that hard. And then you're just going to put the lid on the top of your pressure cooker. And just like that, make sure that your little valve is up. Lock that down. We're going to put this in the microwave for 12 minutes. And then I'm going to let it release, and then I'm going to show you what it is. So after I have dinner tonight, we'll have apple cobbler.
Apple cobbler. How easy is that, guys? Right? How easy. Cake mix and 2 cans of your favorite filling.